Hey everybody, Mikey Rich Mike here. Yep, I have died and gone to heaven. Actually, Chicago Motor Cars is where I am. I'm here with Randy in Chicago because this little girl right there is what we are driving home to Oklahoma. 2003 Dodge Viper, 19,000 miles, original tires. Yeah, this is going to be one fun trip, so you certainly want to check that out. But I thought while I was here, I'd do a little snooping and see what kind of cars these guys actually have. So let's check it out. Monkey, Brent, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
This is one really cool place. You got everything from Audi to Ram to GM, and of course, how about a little G-Wagon right in between. Look at this beautiful car right here. I love me some G-Wagon. And check out the red calipers. Look at those. Beautiful 2020 G63 AMG. And I don't know if you can see the inside right there. Look at the red interior. Is that gorgeous? This is on my wish list. It really is. I love, love, love these cars. I don't know why. They don't ride so great. That's what I've been told. Kind of like a Jeep, but not as nice of a ride. That's why I would love to have one. Tesla everywhere, but I'm focusing on the Panamera. Look at the size of those. Look at that. That is huge. Yep. Beautiful Porsche Panamera. Look at the headlights. Love it, love it, love it. I like the gray, I love the black wheels, and I really like the yellow. Usually I don't like it when the calipers stick out like that. This is a 2018 Porsche Panamera. Look at this. Beautiful. And I guess this opens separately. I don't even know how this works. I don't know. I don't know how that works. There's your Tesla right here. How about a Camaro? How about a super fancy Camaro ZL1? Ooh, love it. Love it, love it. They keep the super exotics on the inside. And so maybe if I can, I'll sneak inside and show you what they've got going on. But there you go. The ZL1 from Camaro. How about a GLS? What is this? This is the 580, I believe, from Mercedes in blue. Blue over ivory or tan, which is a big car. This is a very, very big car. Look at the paint. Gorgeous. What is this? Let's just take a quick look back here. 4MATIC GLS 580. Yes, sir. Thanks, Chicago Motor Cars. So you like your SUVs. What is this? Trofeo? I don't even know. I am so out of my league on this. Yep. Maserati, Levante, Trofeo maybe. Maybe that's how you say it. I don't know. But it is nice. Look at the stitching. Can you see? If I do this, can you kind of see? There you go. Look at the stitching on the dash, on the seats. Look at that little Triton right there on the steering wheel. I like this. And the red calipers. Not as big as the Porsches. But what a beautiful SUV. Oh my goodness. There it is right there. Bigger is better, right? Right? I don't know. Check out the tail on her. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. ACR Viper. Look at this. How much is this worth? I don't even know. But this thing sounds ridiculous. They're moving the cars for a car show, and so they're taking some of the nice ones, and I guess this one's going. But look at that. Look at the tires. Huh?
It's low, isn't
It
it?
is. This is nice. I don't know how you work here and not just salivate all the time. It's just, you get used to them? Back on the car. Yep, love, love, love. Look how low. Look at the ground clearance on this thing. You couldn't really drive it anywhere. Look at that. 2 inches. That's all you got. 2016 Dodge Viper ACR. Let me just kind of zoom in right here. Look at that. Whoa. That just looks expensive to me. Holy guacamole. Okay, we'll zoom it back out. This is what we've come to get. This is the car. This is Randy's new 2003 Dodge Viper. Look at this, 19,000 miles. I don't even know where the odometer is. You can't see because the car's not on. Engine start, but you have to have the key, the red button right there. And yes, he's gonna let me drive it. Am I gonna be terrified? Yes. Is it gonna be fun? Yes. Are we gonna make it back? I don't know, because these tires are original. So the tires are 20 years old. And the date, where'd the date go? It was like one of the last weeks, right there. 4502, 45th week of 02. Yep. But the paint is really, really in good condition. She sat in the garage for a long time, driven just every once in a while. There's a couple of little bitty things, like maybe right there. There's a little dinger right here. I don't want to burst his bubble. No, he knows about these. He knows about those. They're minor. I could fix those up. You'd never know. Yep, okay. This is the star of the show. Yep, this is what we came to get. And we're going to have so much fun driving it home just like this. He said we're going to go topless. The car is going to go topless. Randy and I will keep our shirts on. We guarantee you that. But we're going to go all the way back to Oklahoma. Okay, I've come inside and I'm going to do this until they tell me I can't do it right here. But check out this. Can I interest you in a Ford GT? Yeah, how much is this worth? This is the color they say that adds so much value to the car. 2005 Ford GT in blue, 10,000 miles. Look at that. It's brand new. I just need to play music instead of talk about these cars. You want to do that? We can just play some music and show you guys these amazing cars. All right, I've taken a break. Randy is actually doing his video right there with the buyer, because you get that kind of access when you buy a car here for so much money. Yep. But I hope you like the music. I hope you like the little videos. This is a nice place. Everybody's very, very nice. So if you're ever in Chicago, Chicago Motor Cars is the place to come. All right, we're going to get in Randy's and we're just going to drive off into the sunset. Okay? We'll have another video for you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Monkey Wrench Mike out.